Hey, what's up guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for Blu-ray and 4K Thursday. Now in today's first unboxing video will be for the new DC animated film starring Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Kevin Hart, Keanu Reeves. And it's for DC's League of Super Pets on Blu-ray. It's Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital HD. So there's the front, spine, and back. If you want to read details and special features. Okay. Front, spine, back. Okay. Digital copy code for DC's League of Super Pets. A comic book ad, and the Bat Wheels on HBO Max. And then this film is available to watch on HBO Max. So we have 2 discs. So disc 1, blue disc, DVD disc. Then disc 2, red disc, DVD disc. I'm sorry, Blu-ray disc. So yeah, DC fans, that was my quick unboxing of DC Leagues of Super Pets here on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Thank you. And also leave me a comment section below, letting me know what were your thoughts on this film and what's your favorite DC film of all time. Thank you.